I be that young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Come.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Ngayon ay mag-unbox tayo ng isang gaming chair na ang brand ay Gamdias. Bago tayo mag-unbox guys, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang gamit kong office chair sa aking pag-gaming. Nabili ko pa siya 3 years ago. Kaya ngayon naisip kong bumili ng gaming chair para ipalit dito. Kaya guys, without further ado, let's do it!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
A few moments later.